welcome back to part 2 of my Vietnam vlog. Today we are traveling from Hanoi to Da Nang. If you haven't watched the first Vietnam vlog, please go and watch that first. There we had explored the capital city of Hanoi, and today we are flying to Da Nang, which lies between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh. If you refer to the map, it just lies in between and it's a beach city, so come and explore this city with us. So this was the view from our hotel, and this city is so different from the Hanoi capital city. It's a complete full-on beach city. The vibe is very fun and beachy. Hawa chal rahi hai, and like it's just so refreshing. And this was our room. It was a nice room with a big bathroom, and even the room was better than Hanoi. I don't know, for some reason the capital city was a little small, like a small town vibe, but this is a total beachy vibe. And after checking in, we are headed to Sun World, which is the main attraction. So come with me, we'll have lots of fun. This Sun World has the main two attractions, and you have to take a cable car and go up, and the view from the cable car, guys, is mesmerizing. You will see a lot of greenery when you look down. The view was so beautiful, like I cannot even explain. And again, the camera is not justifying the view. It was like dense forest, mountains, and soon as we went higher and higher, we got to see like lots of clouds. And around, it was like a 20 minutes of this cable car ride. Then we reached this place called Bana Hills, जहाँ पे ये Sun World है, and it is quite high in altitude because as soon as we got down of the cable car, guys, the temperature just changed. Okay, like Da Nang में it was so hot, and here it was just freezing. And you can see the golden bridge here, the famous golden bridge. यहाँ पे एक हाथ में पूरा bridge है. It's so unreal. It was quite crowded, still we managed to click some good pictures in here, and it's just a beautiful place. And it was so cloudy, and like हाथ के ऊपर भी clouds था, and look at the fingers, it's so big and huge, and lots of people, and it's a must come. It's nothing like I've seen before, and it's such a beautiful location. Next, we'll be going to the other side where you can see the French village. You can see how cloudy it is, like the castle is almost invisible because of the cloud, and there's a beautiful flower garden that side. Lovely, lovely. So, how are you feeling? Amazing. Like just in the morning we were in this hot beach. Yes. Sea beach, and now
Yeah,
We can go down.
you can go down this way.
we were really amazed when we entered the French village. They have actually created the entire place on top of a hill, and they have made these castles and beautiful paved, like stone paved streets that you actually see in France. It is giving like a movie set vibe to me. There are like old churches, like it's so beautiful, like you cannot even imagine it's inside a theme park. They also have a Louvre museum ka replica. They have got pubs, they have got beer places. It's just so much is happening. Like this whole French village will take you at least 2 hours to completely explore, and you will feel like you're in some other country. You will feel like you're in Europe. You will not feel like you are in Vietnam when you come here. So it's a must visit. I will highly recommend. And the weather was so pleasant that वो गर्मी तो लग ही नहीं रही थी, उल्टा मस्त, इतना मज़ा आया कि क्या बताऊँ. We also tried this roller coaster. It was so good. Like, I couldn't take the camera, others I would have shown you guys. You can control the roller coaster on your own and it's going downhill. And there are other like rides and everything. This whole thing is indoor, the whole ride situation. Only that roller coaster was outdoor. And we also went to this beer place. There were like breweries, and it was like a three-floor restaurant, pub. There were music going on, people were dancing. The whole vibe was so crazy. Later at night, we visited the city called Hoi An, and guys, this is the city of light and lamps. There are lamps everywhere. This is the prettiest city to look at in Vietnam. You can take these boat rides. उसमें भी lamp लगा हुआ है. It's like so dreamy and it's a very romantic vibe. If you guys wanna come with your partners, this is the place. There are little shops you can shop lamps from. You can click beautiful pictures, you can take boat rides, there are restaurants, there are cafes, and मतलब आप आराम से अपना evening यहाँ पे spend कर सकते हो. It's such a beautiful vibe. Now on the next day we are taking a flight to the last city, which is called Ho Chi Minh City. It lies in the south of Vietnam. It was also called Saigon. So we are flying from Da Nang to Ho Chi Minh City. If you have seen our previous vlog, you will know how we covered Hanoi and Da Nang and then here. So we almost covered the entire country from north to south, and this city is a bigger city. Okay, it's bigger than Hanoi, it's bigger than Da Nang. So this is where the maximum population stays. So you'll see like high-rise buildings, and you'll see a lot of two-wheelers going. It's a busy city. You have all the brands, so it's a proper metropolitan city. But if you go to the history part, you also, the Vietnamese war was mainly fought here, so you will get to see the Cu Chi Tunnel and the Mekong Delta, and all the history is here. So after landing, we straight away headed to the hotel. It was a beautiful hotel, and we thought of resting it out in the daytime, and in the evening we thought of going out and we will go and check out Ben Thanh Market, which is a shopaholics dreamland. You get so many beautiful clothes and bags and whatnot out there, and it was just a walking distance from our hotel, so we just preferred to use Google Maps and we walked to Ben Thanh Market. Now Ben Thanh Market was filled with shops. Okay, these little shops, you can bargain, you'll get like crocs, like very cute crocs, and lots of stuff like home decor stuffs, these bags like jute bags and everything. So if you are a shopaholic like we are, then definitely you have to check out the Ben Thanh Market. We actually didn't shop much throughout the Vietnam trip. Like we didn't shop in Hanoi. We like avoided because we wanted to come to Ben Thanh and take gifts and souvenirs and home decor stuff. I think we only picked up lamps from Hoi An, but Ben Thanh का तो 2-3 चक्कर हमने लगाया, and like पाव दुख गया literally. It's such a big market. After that we headed to eat somewhere. We were actually disappointed with the food in Vietnam. Somehow it did not match with our taste buds. But I only liked, I think, the bantha here to some extent. Other than that, nothing much. But I love their coffee. This is one of the famous coffee brands. If you have seen my coffee vlog, guys, you will see one of these packets lying in my coffee drawer. These are like ground coffee for espresso machine, like home espresso machine. So I took lots and lots of coffee for my home machine. Also, we decided to try something here, but this is a very expensive but flagship store, you can say, very famous. So we thought of trying their one sort of cold coffee, but it was pretty average.
Tasteless আর মানে খাবারের পেছনে অনেক টাকা পয়সা নষ্ট হয়েছে, কিন্তু ভালো খাবার একটু আগে সেদ্ধ চিকেন খেয়ে এলাম, সেদ্ধ ফ্রাইড চিকেন উইথ নো মশালা ইন ইট।
So we walked so much. Scooty dhakka
কফির মধ্যে
khela.
কফির মধ্যে কি দিয়েছে জেবি জেবি কেটো।
Indian খাবার কলকাতার খাবার is best.
অনেক ভালো, অনেক।
Nail parlor everywhere.
Look, koi. Your dog, your pet, your pet. Name?
ও জানি, বুঝতে পারছি।
Biting, bite, bite, bite.
क्या ना तो बर्तन मार्केट से अगर हम लोग होटल जाएंगे उसमें रेट चेंज होगा उसमें रेट 120 लगेगा यहाँ सस्ता है अभी
This is the condition of both of our suitcases. So this I don't know whether it'll close or not. এর মধ্যে এখনো 1 কেজির কফি ঢোকাতে লাগবে, যেটা কিনতে যাচ্ছি, and this is the packet. What is your condition?
ট্রলিটা আটকাবো, দেখি কি অবস্থা।
আমাদের ঘরটার কি অবস্থা না,
এটা কোথায়
এইগুলো আরো is not going to close. I don't think so.
আরে দাঁড়া না, এরকম বলিস কেন?
এই নে। এটারও পেটটা পুরো ফুলে গেছে। Fuck man. How will you
দাঁড়া, তুই আগে দুইটা নে। দাঁড়া, এক হাতে নিবো কেন?
God.
একটা তো তুই নিবি, এই জন্য আমি
No. 1, 2, 3.
আরে এরকম ভাবে না।
This is all yours.
ল্যান্টারটা নিয়ে আয়। প্লাস্টিক গাড়ি করে দেবো, একটা ব্যাগ তো ভাই আমি হাতে জায়গায় হবে না। তোর একটা প্লাস্টিক কেটে দেবো, আমি গাড়ি করে একটা ব্যাগ। আমি কোন দিক দিয়ে যাবো?
Okay.
Don't laugh. Help me.
তো সব so much. তুই আবার কালকে বেন্থানে যাবি সকালে?
আর কিছু কিনবো না।
পেট ব্যথা।
ভাই বুঝতে পারছে না যে কি অবস্থা।
তোকে তুই এইভাবে ইমিগ্রেশন লাইনে তোকে দাঁড়াতে হবে।
আরে একটা তো তুই নিবি।
শোন, আমি নেবো না।
কি নিবি না?
শোন, ফ্লাইট থেকে when you get down from the flight, ঠিক আছে, then you have to immigration, যেমন we stamped while going out, ওরম ভাবে ফেরার সময়, so that line also you have to stand
হ্যাঁ।
like this.
না, ওই যে তুই এটা নিবি তো, একটা তো নিবি। একটা তো নিবি না, আমার নিতে হবে।
Okay, then you take the line till plastic.
ওটা অনেক হেভি হবে না, অন্য প্লাস্টিক নেব।
So guys, the moral of the story is that if you're coming to Vietnam, please get extra space in your luggage or get an extra luggage, because Benthan Jake we went crazy and we shopped and shopped and shopped and there was no space. So please don't make the same mistake and get extra luggage, or just don't get so many clothes, okay? Next day we headed to this amazing place called Pu Chi Tunnel. Yahan pe you can see how much these Vietnamese gorillas have struggled to fight for their freedom from America. Like America had so many technology and like guns and missiles and whatnot, but they didn't have anything, and still they won the war. And how?
Yeah.
Oh Baba.
So
Folding chair.
say goodbye to your beer. It's a mouth, and when you come inside, your whole body,
That folding chair.
yeah, or your
Baba.
whole leg cannot take out. Yeah, the fish trap. Actually, during the war time, they got some operation. Yeah, okay, this one is the seesaw one.
Baba.
Yeah, so the
ভীষণ উঁচু তুমি এসো না
গ্যাসগুলো নিতে
অঞ্জু
ah,
স্টেপস আর ভীষণ উঁচু
তুমি ঠিক আছো? ধরে ধরে আছো,
আমি তো দুদিক ধরে নাও
দেখো সব ধরে।
Cu Chi Tunnel is actually the longest tunnel these Vietnamese soldiers had made to hide and live. They actually lived inside and they were hidden inside from the Americans. And it's just amazing because we just went little bit and we were like claustrophobic. I don't know how they did it. They used to cook inside, live inside for years and years, and they camouflage themselves.
She cannot see inside.
Ah, yeah. This one you don't
It's just the
don't move
feet.
anywhere.
You just come out.
Yeah, you just come in, come out like this.
Okay,
Oh, this
Yeah.
is coming, come
Okay.
out.
And this one, yeah, you raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go inside.
Ta-da!
How cool? Okay, raise your hand.
মানুষ কি
Yeah.
আমি তো উঠতে পারবো
Okay, then jump,
Luar
jump.
Next, we headed to Mekong Delta, and this was also a very unique experience. There are shallow waters. There used to be crocodiles, but not anymore. But I will recommend you guys come here and take these boat rides.
Lên đứng ngựa xuồng bà ơi. Sao đây? Ngựa hương bay vô thôi đó luôn luôn. Ai cũng được. Dắt ơi. Tôi mẹ. Cây đèn ta ngã cây trái ngọt yêu dòng phố xa đâu ra trong đất có người bạn thân người chết rồi.
So with that, we come to the end of our 7-day Vietnam trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel because there'll be a lot more travel vlogs coming soon. So stay tuned for that. By the end of this trip, we were so tired and exhausted, and we had to take like a connecting flight from Ho Chi Minh to Calcutta back. But our hearts were full and we enjoyed thoroughly, and I will highly recommend if you guys are looking for a budget trip, definitely Vietnam is the one.